Hello everyone, back again to Explore with Family. So today is the day where we are going to install our 23.0 2.5 meters awning. Good. And where this one we bought it from, bought it online from snowies.com.au. I usually buy it from there because it's cheap and they have a very quick delivery, so I strongly recommend that. So we bought most of the things from there. So they said it's out of stock, but within 3 days they sent it back to us. That's good. So today I'm going to unbox this and see how I'm going to install in our Nissan Patrol Y62. Let's have a look of what we got. This is such a beautiful awning. It's 2.5 meters long. Right. We have some universal bracket which goes into any of the roof racks, where we got a Rhino rack in our roof. Yes, let's see. Good. Alright, this is what we got. These are the brackets. So there are some bolts. Now I'm going to fix these 3 brackets. So and it's going on well, and I just maintain the equal distance. This one is in the center. This one is in the center piece. Of course, it's 2.5 meters and 40, of course. So what I did is I just mixed up with the center here, and then 420 from here, and 420 from there. 420 means 42 centimeters from there, and 42 centimeters from the other end. And I fixed those. And now actually I'm cutting these bolts. The reason because to accommodate with the Rhino rack, and I'm using this tool. I don't want to buy any other tool. I'm not a professional tool maker, mechanic or whatever, so I'm just using what I have. So I'm just cutting these bolts. As you can see, I already did for these 2 bolts, this and this. As you can see, is quite shorter than the other one. Why I'm doing that? So that it accommodates the space here. And one bolt here, I'm going to do another bolt with this frame on the Rhino rack. So I have to make another hole here and one bolt here, so that otherwise what happens is the one bolt, it just goes too much into the edge. So that's the thing. We just bought this universal awning kit from Autobahn. So yes, what I did here is, of course, so the first bolt is going to go here, the second one is going to go here. But I did a drill inside this for the 3 brackets. That's good. It went on as per the plan. So awning. First time we are going to open and see how it goes.